All right, hey guys, welcome back. So this is the actual video of me doing the Poke Gel. I got the Magic Gel kit, but that Poke Gel base that you see, that is from Amazon. Now, if you came from the other video where I was talking about how I ordered the Poke Gel and they didn't send the base, they just essentially sent, like, they have like a ridge filler gel top coat that you put over everything so it could kind of level it out. All of these nails have been polished with the actual gel colors. I do have to get the hang of it, of like creating the art. I've been watching a ton of videos trying to figure out how to, well, not really figure out, like, how do I turn this little orange wood stick in order to get the design just right. I have tried it with a silicone tool. You still got to wipe it in between. The colors, even if I don't end up using it for poke gel, the colors are very nice and there's no stinky smell. Now, below, I'm going to link the Amazon poke gel because that one came with the base. I'm still waiting for the people to send me the poke gel base that goes with this kit. And before, I was kind of weirded out, maybe thinking that the kit was a dupe from the one from RedNote, but it's not. It's the actual one. They do tell you to buff, like, around the edges. I guess that keeps it from shrinking back. I still end up having shrinkage, but like I said, I am using the poke gel base from Amazon and not from Magic Nail. I'm doing everything in real time so you can see how long it takes for stuff to, like, spread out and this, that, and the third. Now, I'm not ordinarily a hand painter. I don't feel like you need to be, but I will say this. I don't have the perception just yet. I haven't worked out the perception just yet to put a word on the nail, right? Because you got to work like dimensions and see it in your head. I can't see it just yet, so that's that. Number two, everything. I shake and stir every single thing, and I stir it really good because I think that might be another reason why sometimes it doesn't work well, because it hasn't been stirred well. So let's draw. I did like an even coat. Like, I've watched so many RedNote videos, seriously. That ombre was by these gels, and I'll run through the steps. One, you paint the base. Two, you put the poke gel base on top. Three, well, you're creating between all of these. You buff a little bit around the edge. And then four, you put the next color gel on top, and then you etch your design in. You got to make sure you wipe that orange wood stick in between. Yeah, that's it, because that helps it. Now, this is real time. It's like starting to expand. So far, love is the only word I could get. Like, at a good angle. Not angle, but like was able to write it out. And then feel free to mute this if you just want to watch. I totally understand. Once I figure out how to put music on my videos in the interlude, like in the in between, I will be unstoppable. Well, currently I'm already unstoppable, but you know what I mean. And then I have tried to use this little narrow end. It has not worked out yet. So far, only the flat little end is giving me what I need. And then I was thinking to myself, like, oh, the videos that they're putting up must be sped up. Maybe a few of them are, but I just don't have the technique down yet. So I'm not actually going to put this on clients just yet. That came out cool, though, because I do want to practice with it a bit more before I introduce it to the clients. I never like practicing on clients because, no, when you come here, you paying money. I can practice in my free time. And I got a little free time. So this came out great. Now, I'm going to stamp on this one. I got that little gel off of Amazon also, and you can stamp with it. This stamping plate is from RedNote. It is amazing. They have so many beautiful stamping plates. Like, I love it. I love them. I love them so much. It stamps so well. And that gel, I think if you cure it, like, maybe a little bit of half the time, you can chrome on top. I haven't used it for that just yet because I have another one that I do already. So I put the base on there just so I can carve out this little little area. And then the concept was I would carve out the area, have the stamping on the back, and then I would write on top of it. But in the mean between what I was curing, I did another one. And this is real time. So it does work better with the poke base. What they sent me, like I said, was just kind of like a ridge filler gel, and it really wasn't working. I haven't tried to actually poke it just yet, which I don't know why. So not bad, not bad. I need to work with it a little bit more. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, on my little palette, I have some base coat. And what I do is I clean out my brush with just clear base coat. I don't use acetone or anything on my gel brushes. I just clean them with a clear gel. Just like smush the clear gel in there until the color is out. Whatever color was in there before. Now, I was trying to do like some kind of swoosh thing. Don't judge me. I only had this kit for like maybe a week. And so I'm just like watching videos on RedNote and trying to recreate what I see. Woo! But it's like a challenge. So I'm not mad. I am annoyed because like if you came from the other video, you already know like they didn't send all of the stuff. So that's annoying. And it was like such a huge round of a wait for it to even get here that really like got on my nerves. But let's do another color. I'm trying to pick bold colors that you can see on this video, just because I feel like make it easy for everybody to see how it's working. And all of this is in real time. Like I didn't speed out anything. I did cut the clips where I'm like super stirring everything in between, but all of this is actual real time. It's a short video. It's only like 11 minutes, 12 minutes. I haven't tried to do it with a dotter. I think maybe a dotter might actually work better. Fun fact, I was going to try to write cool, but I ran out of space in the end, so I just ended up writing live. Just because, like, the straight line ones work for me right now better. The swoopy ones, I haven't got the hang of how to do the swoopy. See? See how crazy that looks? It doesn't even look. So I just wipe it off. So I read the directions, and it does say, and I have a Samsung phone, so on my Samsung phone, I can just hit my little square, and it'll translate the page. Like I can hit the little home button square, just hold it down, and then Google will pop up, and you can translate a page. Which is how I even ended up purchasing stuff off of RedNote, is because I can do page translate, because a lot of the stuff on RedNote is in Chinese. It's a Chinese app. So I just do the Google Translate on the page, and I don't have to screenshot it and then translate it. So like I said, I end up writing live on there because the straight line designs are easier. I can do E crazy good. So I'm alive. All in all, I do like this. I do. I do like that it's like a little bit of a challenge. I am gonna keep fooling with it to see what else we could do. Because I feel like there's more that can be done. There is definitely more that can be done. I just gotta get you get a new product, you kind of gotta get a hang of it, and everything's not instantaneously is what I'm trying to say. Some stuff you actually really do have to like work with it. Okay, so attempt at the flower again. I can hand paint a rose like crazy. I can airbrush a rose like crazy. But I'm like trying to carve it out with this orange wood stick. And it is proving to be difficult. I wanted it to be like some of the petals bigger, some smaller, and then carve out the petal design a little bit better. But I don't know. I gotta figure it out. I will. And I'll bring you another video when I figure it out. Because I'm not going to let this be me. So I'm just using like a build in a bottle over it to like self level. No big deal. Because it's technically a relief design, so you will have like some thickness. So yep, there we go. Those are all the designs that I end up making. Of course, the top coated them. I linked all the products below. And if you came from the other, like if you haven't come from the other video, I'll link that one after so you can watch it. So you can watch both of them. But I've been back and forth with this poke gel for like a minute. And I do like it. I am going to keep trying it. So we'll see. We'll see. And if you want me to do a video showing the stamping plates that I got from RedNote, let me know by commenting below, and I will do like a whole video. I'll stamp all of them so you can see exactly what they look like. Okay, so this is the final look of everything I did. I'm going to keep trying.